essential to our survival. It provides us with clean air to breathe, water to drink, and the natural resources that support our daily life. However, maintaining a clean environment is not just about appearance. It's about protecting human health, preserving ecosystems, and the future generations can still benefit from these resources.
One simple but often overlooked factor that affects environmental cleanliness is how we use and dispose of paper. Although paper seems harmless, improper use and disposal can contribute to pollution and environmental degradation.
In many offices and schools, paper is heavily used for communication, documentation, and record keeping. As a BSOA student, we understand how important documents are in office operations. However, the problem arises when paper is overused or wasted.
Unnecessary printing, duplicate copies, and careless disposal of paper contribute to the growing amount of solid waste. When paper waste is not managed properly, it ends up in landfill where it contributes to pollution and increased environment burden.
Moreover, paper production rests on trees. Excessive demand for paper leads to deforestation, which destroy habitats, reduce biodiversity, and affect climate regulation. This shows that even a simple office practice can have a serious environmental consequences.
If we continue these practices without change, we are not only harming the environment, but also risking the quality of life for future generations.
In the Philippines,
The Ecological Solid Waste Management Act of 2000 was established to address waste management problems.
Tulang sa Paglikha ng Republic Act 9003 o Ecological Solid Waste Management Act of 2000.
This law emphasizes the importance of reducing waste, reusing materials, recycling resources, and properly segregating waste at its source.
However, the laws alone cannot solve the problem. The success of these policies depends on how individuals apply them in their daily practices.
As a future office professional, BSOA students play an important role in promoting sustainable practice within the workplace. One of the most effective ways we can contribute is by reducing paper consumption.
Reducing paper use means avoiding unnecessary printing and maximizing the use of digital tools. Platforms like Google Workplace allow us to create, edit, store, and share documents efficiently without relying on physical copies.
Another important practice is reusing paper instead of discarding paper immediately. We can use a blank side for drafts, notes, or internal documents. This helps minimize waste and extends the usefulness of each resources.
Recycling is also essential by properly segregating proper waste and placing it in a recycle bins. We allow it to be processed and reused instead of contributing to landfill waste.
These practices follow the 3 R's principle: reduce, reuse, and recycle, which is a key approach in maintaining environmental cleanliness and sustainability.
Maintaining cleanliness in the environment is important because it directly affects the public health. Clean surroundings reduce the spread of diseases and create a safer, more comfortable space for people.
It also protects natural ecosystem when waste is properly managed. We prevent pollution in land, water, and air, which help preserve biodiversity.
In offices, maintaining cleanliness and reducing waste also improve efficiency, organization, and professionalism. A clean and sustainable workplace reflects responsible management.
These proves that environmental responsibility and professional practice go hand in hand.
Sustainability begins with awareness. As individuals, we must first recognize that even small actions like how we use paper can have a big impact on our environment. We understand this, we become more responsible in every decision we make.
It continues with responsible action. Awareness is not enough if we do not apply it in real life. We must practice proper waste management, reduce unnecessary consumption, and always think about how our actions affect the environment.
We must reduce unnecessary paper use by using digital alternatives whenever possible. As future office professionals, we should prioritize efficiency and sustainability by minimizing printing and maximizing the use of technology in our daily tasks.
We should reuse materials whenever possible, especially paper. Instead of immediately discarding use of paper, we can maximize it, use for craft or taller work. This simple habit reduces waste and help conserve natural resources.
We must recycle properly and consistently by ensuring that waste is segregated correctly. Proper recycling helps reduce landfill waste, supports environmental protection, and allows materials like paper to be reused in production again.
As future BSOA professionals, we have responsibility not only to manage office tasks efficiently, but also promote sustainability in every workplace we enter. By practicing green office habits, we contribute to a cleaner environment and better future for everyone.
As BSOA students, we are shaped not only to manage office efficiently, but to lead with responsibility, protecting the environment through every decision we make. Let's keep our environment clean, healthy, and sustainable for everyone. Woo!